In this lesson, students are learning about persuasion, and they are identifying persuasive techniques in a speech. So at the start of the lesson, they're going to answer a discussion question using the discussion board. The teachers will be able to provide different answers. Then they're going to use Cami or student annotations to upload the document where they can write on it and find the persuasive techniques. And at the end, they are going to use Nearpod to add in an exit ticket. Here is my Canvas course for my class. So for this, they would just click on the days of the week to access the assignment. However, for me, I uploaded the course module for the CCE course to this assignment because this is where I had all of their assignments anyway. So if you look, the CCE course here's our module, and everything's ordered in the way they should complete it. So you need to complete all items. So students would first click on the persuasion unit, and they would answer the discussion question. Once this is answered, then they will be able to post their assignments and repeat and reply to other students' work here. After that, they're going to take notes in their notebooks, and they will watch a video talking about different persuasion techniques. This video was embedded, so with the embed code from YouTube, so you are just able to click on the video and watch it straight from the website. So talking about persuasion, how can we convince others to be persuaded? After that, they're going to read through the speech from Obama. Notice this is in student annotation, so it's uploaded as an external tool here, and here's their speech. So they can go through and they can highlight, they can drop comments to label it, they can add text, they can strike through, and they can underline or write on here. So they're going to be working on this together in groups, and they're going to try and find 6 different types of persuasion techniques throughout the speech, like how is Obama convincing other people to do this. So once they're done, they're going to click submit, and they'll go to the next assignment. At the end of the lesson, they're going to do an exit ticket. This is through Nearpod. So if you can see, it will open the Nearpod, it will make it full screen. This is embedded, so they just sign in with their Office 365 that we have here in the district. And once they're logged in, it will say, is this you? It can make it nice and big, you can keep it small, and then you're going to answer the question. It says topic is school, you're going to use persuasion technique to convince people to stay in school. We can use testimonial. That's when you're using famous people or endorsements to persuade people to stay at school. So you're going to say like Taylor Swift graduated with a degree. Don't you want to like her? And then you can click submit, and it will pop up as little note cards here. Other students can like it, they can reply or write a comment. So that is the way I will assess if they understand the different types of persuasion. So that is my lesson here, and it is posted for all to see. Have a great day.